My name's Elias Kimaru and I work for WWF. Currently we have more than 200 plus different coastal species. Some of the species are very rare, endemic, with medicinal value. We are talking about an important bird area, globally identified as important bird area. It's the only habitat for sable antelope. It has huge number of elephants. We destroy what we have now today, we lose it forever. In the last 5 years, we have ensured that all the forests in Kwale are, all the boundaries are secure. There's no encroachment. We have significantly reduced illegal logging. In our work, the work we do in Kwale, we get support from different organizations. One of the key supporters is WWF UK through the Size of Whale project. So the people of Wales, they contribute, they support us, and we work to ensure that these ecosystems are conserved. One of the key activities we are doing is to enhance and promote tree nurseries. Within our office, we have the biggest tree nursery in the region in terms of species diversity and also in terms of the numbers. The purpose of the nursery actually is, one, to research on the indigenous species. Two is to support restoration work in the degraded areas, and also as a learning point for communities, because majority of the people we are working with, they know how to deal with exotic species, and indigenous are a bit hard. So we also bring them here in the nursery to learn and to understand, so they can also start growing indigenous tree species for conservation and for livelihood. We plant them in along river sides. We plant them in the degraded sites. We plant them on farm for the fair benefit of the people. If we are going to achieve conservation, if we are going to achieve our agenda, we must also integrate conservation with livelihood. One of the key challenges we are facing now in Kwale is there's increased demand, global demand of natural resources like minerals. We have two major mining companies who are interested in mining in Kwale. So we are struggling to ensure that decision that is made is consultative, that the impact of that mining to biodiversity, to people, to water, to environment generally is addressed before then. The kaya forests are sacred. Some of the kayas are very close to the tourism development, and the tourism is growing very fast. So they are being pushed and pushed and pushed, and the kaya elders are being offered big money, big money, big money. So if we don't have clear and integrated approach into conservation of the kaya forest, the pressure will continue. It's a critical ecosystem, and unless we see the connection between the Silver Hills ecosystem and all the economic activities, we lose it. Always look at ensuring that people and nature live in harmony. So in Kwale, we are grateful to the people of Wales, we are grateful to the WWF UK and other supporters, because without them, it will be very hard, it will be very difficult to do some of the things we are doing. And for that we say thank you very much.